This is a public service announcement. Retwisting is a maintenance method to keep and/or assign hair strands to specific areas, locs. It is not supposed to be permanent because as our hair grows and moves, it disturbs any previous maintenance and enables locs to form. The locking process takes place as the hair continues to bud, which is more pronounced in starter locs. As locs mature, you do not see budding as obviously as before, but it is an ongoing process. After a retwist, I personally stay away from any water on my hair for at least 7 to 10 days. I moisturize my hair with water whenever I feel like it. There's no set routine. I cleanse my hair thoroughly approximately every 4 to 5 weeks. I drink water every single day, which contributes to consistently prioritizing the hydration of my hair from the inside. Knowing my hair porosity has improved my self-care for healthy hair care. I've known for years that the retwist is temporary. Unravelling is a sign of movement and growth, so I embrace it along with frizz. I understand the context of my hair and the process of lock formation, so I'm good. Are you?